Remember when you told me you believe in something and you said you're done pretending that fate is patient. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're old.
Alright, good morning.
Morning.
We are here in Mualbual. Parang ikaduha na adlaw dire. So karon mo suri kami sa mga falls, na mga falls dire na wala pa ko nakabisita. And then visit some sardines.
Sardines.
Bisita kami sa mga sardinas ba. So sorry pa ta. Alright, so we arrived here in Inabacan Falls from Mualbual. It took us about 40 minutes to 1 hour. No? Would you say 1 hour?
Yeah.
About 1 hour. On the way here, we stopped by some guy named Ariel. We were putting on sunscreen, and that's his first experience of Filipino hospitality.
Yes.
Yeah, buddy.
The one big thing I've noticed, people are super hospitable. Thank you for all you nice people out there feeding us, because we're getting quite parched.
Getting parched out here, being dehydrated. So thank you for your love.
Yes, thank you.
So this is actually Gabe's first time that he's rode scooters here in the Philippines or outside of the U.S. So Have you noticed any differences here in the Philippines?
Yes, there's lots of differences. So first off, it's like you never stop. There's no red lights anywhere, which is awesome. So
No rules?
Yeah. I mean, the motto here is like, it's more fun in the Philippines. It's way more fun to ride scooters here than it is in the U.S.
Yeah, you're not worried about getting speeding tickets?
No, I get those all the time in the United States. I don't get them here at all, so.
Yeah, buddy.
Well, none yet. Can you get speeding tickets here?
I don't think so.
Because I saw like speed limits for like 30 kilometers per hour. But...
Yeah, I've never heard of a speeding ticket, but.
All right, cool.
All right.
Down for it, but yeah. Oh, I noticed there's like a lot of hazards, and the biggest hazard that you'll like run into is a dog.
Yeah.
You gotta like beep at the dogs like 20 times.
Yeah, I think that's like the number one cause of crashes.
Really?
Yeah, for real.
Dang dogs.
Especially at nighttime.
Dang dingoes.
So. Dang dingoes. All right, so kakapon na kami diri sa falls. First time na ko diri, first time niya syempre kay 3 days pa lang siya diri. So this is Gabe. I don't know, did I introduce you yesterday?
I don't know.
This is my buddy Gabe. He's from the US. We met in Hawaii when we lived there last year. So yeah, his first time in the Philippines, first time out of the US. So I'm giving him the tour. And he arrived 3 days ago, so he's fresh off the boat. Okay, fresh off the plane. So yeah, everything's gonna be new for him, so it's gonna be fun to watch how he reacts to everything. So let's go. Tag 50 ang entrance fee. Yeah. So magi lang kami sa exit, kaya wala exit fee. Sige.
Saan na kayo asawa?
Wala pa. Tagay ko. Siguro magkaila ka.
Haman mo.
Sa dapit.
Unya, piling mo edad doon, bata pa.
Bechin ko, tiguang na.
Ala ka bata, oy. Kani, imong tao ba?
Para nimo, pilang edad niya? Kinsay magulang sa amo doa?
Same ba?
Oh, safe answer. Safe answer. Sige, lagi.
Pareho.
Dili, naay usa ka magulang sa amo ha. Kinsang
Ikaw.
Ikaw.
Ako? Ayo.
Sige.
Sige. 23 years old.
24.
Ay, 24 di ay, 24.
You think he's my friend? I don't know though.
Yeah. So,
yeah, another nosebleed.
another nosebleed. Gabe's struggling out here.
Struggling.
Speak Bisaya, but hey, he's hanging in there.
Struggling.
He's learning some words. He knows salamat.
Salamat.
He knows ayos. He knows sige.
Mabuhay!
Woo! Sige, so maligo na kami. Let's swim.
All right, let's do it.
Ready, go.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
Alright, so we're done here at Inambakan Falls. Yeah, buddy, it's pretty sweet. Good stuff.
Sick.
Here's diri sa taas.
Beautiful.
Wala may uban. Kami lang.
Ayos.
No.
Mabuhay.
So I was telling Gabe that Kwan, what was I telling you?
Oliver.
No. I was telling Gabe that I like the Philippines because it's not as touristy. You go to like Thailand or Indonesia,
Yes, you tourists stay out of here.
and there's too many you tourists stay out of here, even though we're promoting. Woo! Sige, so humana kami diri sa falls. Duha ka bukang falls diri sa Inambakan. Nindot kayo kay wala may turista, ningaw man diri. Tapos naay cave sa Pikas, pero dili kami makaato kay kamerang oras karon. So muato kami dito, mubalik kami sa Mualboal para maka-experience sa mga sardinas. Kay dagan kaayo, sobra kadaghan. Layo kaayo ang biyahe namo. So mo biyahe na kami. Diba?
Diba?
Mo biyahe na kami.
Oo.
Oo. Sige, so tara. Alright. So on our long journey home, we stopped at the Caranderia because this is Gabe's first time at the Caranderia.
Yeah.
Kay barato lang, it's very cheap. It's about
Cheap
like
is good.
$1.50 is one meal.
Cheap is good.
Cheap is very good. So we'll see how it is. See how he takes it. You can see Gabe is very American. He'll just eat rice without any rice topping. Bisan walay sudan, mukhaon siya gyapon.
Lamit.
Lami.
What'd you say? A lot of bone.
A lot of bone.
Bone daddy.
Bone daddy. How was it?
It was.
And
Perfecto,
how's your
lami.
wallet? And how's your wallet?
Wallet is still full.
Still full? You
Yeah.
didn't break your wallet?
Nope.
Or didn't break
the wallet. I recommend places like this. Cheap.
Alright. Cheap. Let's go.
That's the way we do it.
Sige, so nakawalay na kami diri sa Le Village. Ibili na mo ang bag kay mo kami sa sardinas. Maligo na kami dito sa Mualboal. Kay daghan ng sardinas, wala pa siya nakasulay. So ready na ka?
Ready.
Ready na. Sige, maligo ta.
We could try to stop this, postpone the heartache, but I bet your body disagree. 'Cause you keep coming home to me, my eyes are glued to my phone, trying to read your signals, but you say you wanna be alone.
We're out here in the boonies. We're getting eaten alive by mosquitoes right now. The bug spray's not even keeping them off us right now, so we're gonna look like half-eaten tomorrow. So yeah, we look like really good food to these mosquitoes right now because they're not staying away. Anyways, we just went out sardine hunting. We didn't catch anything, but we got some cool photos. Stupid mosquitoes. Anyways, Carson missed the shot. There was a beautiful sunset, so sorry you guys didn't get to see that.
Sige, kumara kami dito sa sardinas. Kuan, libre lang. Sabi na tuwing naka-tour ko, sobra 1,000 pesos. Karon, diretso lang kami sa dagat. Hala, apil sila sa vlog daw. Hi, apil daw sila, budots.
Abe ka budots? Budots, budots?
Budots ka.
Dili ko ka maong.
Sige na.
Sige na. Wala bang sila kasi Bisoyo?
Saga. Budots. Oh, wow, hey. Sige, so umana kami, so magbudos na kami. Basta kung mo ni komentaryo ayaw mag-tour kay mahal, diretso lang sa dagat kay grabe kadaghan ng mga sardinas. Nindot pa.
Bisaya, mista.
Sige, so
Buana!
Oh,
Yeah.
Cebuana! Yon.
Una.
Sige, so humana kami dire. Kung sa pagtanaw, uban sa sunod. Oh, ampig ko mo.
I'm not pretending I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, calling me a mad woman,